What's up guys, this is KD Cloudy, and every year when we get the new Pixel phones, they definitely come with some exclusive features which don't really stay exclusive anymore. Well, last year in 2017 we already got hold of the launcher, the live wallpapers, and now we're getting the portrait mode feature on the original Google Pixel and the Nexus 6P 5X, thanks to the developer Charles Chow for digging into the APK and modding it. So this modded APK goes by the name of Camera NX, and essentially what it does is that it flips a switch from the Pixel 2 which replaces lens blur and adds the portrait mode option. And the mechanism is that it takes two HDR photos in smart burst, one normally and another with the added portrait effect. And if you want to know more about how portrait mode works, I made a full separate video explaining how, so you can check that out. Anyways, this APK works well with the Nexus 5X, the 6P, and the original Pixel and the Pixel XL, and basically is the replica of the Pixel 2's camera app in pretty much every way. You swipe right, get into portrait mode, and just start ticking. And surprise, it actually does a great job at replicating the bokeh effect even on the front camera. Edge detection is on point for the most part, and it does struggle when there's complex stuff in the background for it to process, like my hair, and just doesn't work at all for non-human subjects, which is, makes sense. And now here's a comparison just for the kicks. Here's my dad's photo on the OnePlus 5's portrait mode and the same picture on the Pixel's portrait mode. It's a relatively poorly lit scene, and although the OnePlus 5 struggles with noise grain on the shadows, which is totally understandable, but as you can see, the Pixel takes an edge thanks to HDR+, and the noise is low and the sharpness is still there. And here's a portrait selfie of mine from the Pixel, and now from my Canon DSLR. The DSLR clearly suffers from not having extra software image processing, hence the low contrast and dynamic range. But yeah, I'm loving this feature on my phone, having tons of fun with it. And there you go, that's your quick little video covering this one for the Pixel. Do try it on your device, the link is down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Cheers.